So today we're going to be making chocolate baklava. This is my trick for baklava. I have a damp cloth. So the reason I did this is because phyllo pastry is super thin and it tears so fast, and you want it to keep the moisture because once you have it open and exposed to air, it dries out faster. I'm just going to brush it with butter. So here I have some melted butter. So the thing about baklava is that it's super simple to make, and I'm literally just using 3 ingredients, nuts that have been blitzed up. So we have almonds, pistachios, and walnuts all together. Added cinnamon, because what's a baklava without cinnamon? And because everyone loves chocolate, we have some chocolate sauce. And also a tip that Chef Craig gave me to give it a more moist texture, so the inside would be moist and the outside would be crunchy, is to add a bit of tinned apple. So now that we have the 2 sheets stuck together, I'm going on to brushing my chocolate sauce. So what I've done is, just to loosen the chocolate sauce because it's so thick, I have added a tablespoon of boiling water to it. So it's about half a cup of chocolate sauce. It just makes you want to dive in and just eat it all up, like Sneh would say. So that's my chocolate sauce done. So for this, I'm just gonna take amounts, well, generously spread it over. So we want an even distribution because when we roll it, each bite would give you nuts plus chocolate sauce as well as the apple, which is gonna go on next. So now I have the tinned apple, which I've chopped up. So I'm just gonna spread this. It's a bit chunky, but it allows you to get more of an apple flavor from it, because you don't want to just lose the apple by just using it for moisture. You want to taste the fact that it's there as well. And I think that's it. So we're gonna roll this up now. Just gonna go carefully. You could do it as a smaller roll if you would like, but just make sure to keep it tight as you go on. You don't want the filling to come out of it as you're rolling. Okay, so I'm just gonna seal off the edge with a little bit of butter. That's it. That's done. And now we're gonna cut it. You can see the layers in between, and you can see the apple as well, and the pistachios. Just looks amazing. So now I'm gonna put this in a tray. So I'm just going to brush this lightly with butter. And now I will bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay, so once these have come out of the oven, I'm just gonna brush chocolate sauce onto it. And they're ready to serve. So I'm gonna do 4 plates, just cause. So I put out chocolate sauce on the bottom. Doesn't have to be neat. The messier, the better. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with our baklava. There. I'm just gonna put a base for the ice cream. So I have the leftover mix of the nuts that I used for the baklava. Just gonna put a little bit there. And a little bit more nuts, just on one side, and flowers. And here we have it, baklava with ice cream, the perfect chocolate dessert.